I am Adam.
And I'm Christy.
And we are Heavenly Hikes and Travels.
We live in the beautiful state of West Virginia, and we have been blessed to travel all over the world together. And now that our children are grown, we bought a truck camper and are excited for the many adventures that await. So come with us on all of our heavenly hikes and travels. Well, hello. We are on a drive today in the snow, and it is absolutely beautiful. We're actually going to Frost, West Virginia to visit a maple syrup farm that's there. We have gotten syrup from Frostmore Farms for many years, and they're having an open house today. So we got up super early and hit the road in the middle of a snowstorm, but the roads aren't that bad. It's not super cold out, so it's not that bad, but it is definitely beautiful. And we just pulled off the road here to go get some footage of the creek because it's just so pretty. Currently driving over Kennison Mountain, and I would say that the roads, this is probably the worst that they have been, but they're still not horrible bad. It's just like a winter wonderland out here though. It's so pretty. So there's an area known as Cranberry Glades that is at the top of Kennison Mountain, and we are driving to the boardwalk. We're gonna go maybe take a little quick walk around it or on it just a little bit.
Anyway.
Or yeah. But there is no tracks in the snow here. We're making fresh tire tracks in the snow. All right, so we're just gonna walk out here to the boardwalk. But wow, it is just so beautiful. It's a winter wonderland. Cranberry Glades Botanical Area, and then it has a boardwalk that just loops around.
That's about half a mile or something.
Yeah, I'm not sure we'll do it all. I don't know, but and there's maybe, I don't know, 3 to 4 inches of snow, maybe. back in the truck. Gonna head on down the road. Okay, we are coming into the town of Marlington, West Virginia. Alright, we have made it to the Frostmore Farms. I'm just not exactly sure where to go. So we are actually going to take a little tour here at Frostmore Farms.
Yeah.
I think his granddad built that just out of local. It's all work to kind of
Believe it.
8 miles of tubing?
Yeah.
Wow.
yeah. It is. It's hard to see them, but there's two main lines over there against that tree, going directly into the building.
Uh-huh.
Those are the trunk lines, they call them. They go about a quarter mile up this hollow, and they dead end up there.
Yeah, you see them running
And then we have lines going that way.
just out to all the feeder trees.
Yeah, you can kind of see lines over yonder on them big trees. Way over there. And all these are.
Don't laugh at me. I just dropped my phone.
That was probably planned and set out 150 years ago. These trees are about that old. And that was for the purpose of making sugar cakes for whoever lived there.
Right.
Because
Sure, so you're going to get out of that.
you have to have at least, with our trees, about half of our trees are red maple. They're not sugar maple.
Okay.
But they still produce sugar, just not as concentrated. The red maple may have maybe 1.5 or 2% sugar on a good day. Where your sugar maples, your hard maples, will be maybe up to 3.
Okay.
So, as a rule, ours takes about 60 to 70 gallons of water from the tree to make 1 gallon.
Wow.
Now, really, they bring it in the buckets, put it in these barrels. This thing, of course, was turned over. They made this pan, and it also made, you call it a little stove, just out of bricks there.
Yeah.
And they just sit here, and my little chairs here, sit in it, and they just 24 hours a day. They just
Wow.
keep feeding.
Till they boil the water out
And
of
then the
it.
water until they got it down to where they want it, and then probably they took it in the house and finished it. Like in years past,
Oh, I see.
you know, where we wanted to know where we tapped, because if you tap here, then the next year you want to go over and up, and then the year after that you want to go over and up or over and down.
Huh.
So you work your way around the tree. That gives this area
Time to heal.
time to heal.
Huh.
And we figured out that little spot of paint makes them holes a lot easier to find the next year
Uh-huh.
or the year before. So.
Very good.
Well, we keep all our tools and stuff. We're doing repairs, and these are new
All the
Taps.
All the taps.
tap drops.
Yeah.
And this machine is a pump that sucks the sap down the lines at about a 25-pound pressure.
Okay.
Something that you can
Pull
pull
back.
off.
Wow.
Lots of tanks.
We keep the heat on in here because there's water and stuff around. You don't want anything, you don't wear freezing in this. This thing is real handy.
Oh, yeah, the floor jack,
Yeah.
power jack.
You just move it. Set your thing there and you bring it in here. That way it's right there. You don't.
So they are making us some sugar on snow. So they gave us a little cup here and we're gonna gather some snow and then they're gonna pour some warm syrup on it, I think.
Temperatures above what syrup is at. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this up to basically what we would make candy at. So I gotta get it up to 232 degrees and we're at 216, 217 right now. So it's sugar on snow. It might not be quite as...
So it just makes like a taffy?
Yeah, and then just, you can touch it pretty much immediately. Oh, thank you, Jesus. There you go. Give her a try there and see what you think. Because I have no...
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That is neat. Hold on.
Yep.
Alright, so we got some cinnamon rolls and they are scrumptious. Alright, so we are getting ready to go back over Kinnison Mountain. Yeah, we'll see what the roads are like now. It is still a winter wonderland on this mountain. It's beautiful. Swamp truck now. So now we are coming into the town of Richwood, West Virginia. Well, we have made it home. Thanks for going with us on our winter drive. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the tour at Frostmore Farms. We really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. Super friendly, great people. So yeah, thanks for watching and we will see you on the next one.